I am near the churchyard. There are birds here. I hear them before I see them. Sometimes I do not see them at all. In Finnish, the Milky Way is called Linnunrata, the bird road. People once believed this was the path souls traveled after death, that birds were not only animals but carriers, messengers between worlds. The sky itself was a migration, not something owned, something passed through. My grandfather watched birds. He and my grandmother used to sit by the sea at the summer house quietly for hours. There was one gull that always returned, the same one, year after year. I never really saw birds properly. My eyesight has always been unreliable. Distance collapses, shapes blur. I learned birds by listening, by hearing stories, by watching paintings, by making them with my hands. I knew birds existed without needing to hold them sharply in view. My parents are bird watchers too. When my father was young, people believed he was out partying all night. He was not. He was somewhere else with binoculars, watching birds move through darkness. Devotion is often mistaken for disappearance. I am especially drawn to corvids. They live near the churchyard, near the named dead. They do not require clarity. They tolerate distance. They remember. They are comfortable at thresholds. Some people watch birds. Some people count them. I do something else. I hold the idea that they pass, that something moves between worlds, with or without my eyes. Linnunrata still stretches across the sky, even when we forget its name. Birds still migrate, souls still move. And not all seeing is done with the eyes.